children! In the last class, we were discussing some questions from the chapter Water. Now we are going to discuss some more questions. Move on to the questions. Which of the following statements are true? First question. Water vapor is present in air only during the monsoon. No, water vapor is present always during all seasons. In all the seasons, water from all the sources evaporates. So, water vapor is present at all the times, not only during monsoon. So, the statement is false. Next question is, water evaporates into air from oceans, rivers and lakes, but not from the soil. The answer is false because water evaporates even from soil. Next question is, the process of water changing into its vapor is called evaporation. You may recall the definition of evaporation. The process of water changing into its vapor is called evaporation. So, the statement is true. Next question. The evaporation of water takes place only in sunlight. This statement is also false. Why? Because evaporation takes place even in shades. Of course, sunlight is providing temperature for easy evaporation, but even the hot air inside the home or in shades also helps in evaporation. So, the statement is false. Next question is, water vapor condenses to form tiny droplets of water in the upper layers of air where it is cooler. What do you think? Is it correct? Yes, this statement is true. Next question is, suppose you want to dry your school uniform quickly. Would spreading it near an angidi or heater help? If yes, how? The answer is yes. Spreading near a heater helps in easy evaporation. Why? It is because when we are spreading the cloth near a heater, the temperature around the cloth will be higher than the normal temperature. As a result, evaporation takes place faster. When temperature increases, evaporation takes place faster. Okay, moving on to the next question. Take out a cooled bottle of water from refrigerator and keep it on a table. After some time, you notice a puddle of water around it. Why? We have already discussed this. This is because of condensation. The air around the bottle touches the cold surface of the bottle and condensation takes place to form water droplets. When the water droplets are large enough, it moves down and form a puddle of water around the cold bottle. Next question is, to clean their spectacles, people often breathe out on glasses to make them wet. Explain why the glasses become wet. The answer is, our exhaled air contains water vapor. When this water vapor touches the glass, called glass, it condenses to form water drops. So, it becomes easy for cleaning. With this, we come to the end of this chapter. Read the textbook and learn well. Thank you and have a nice day.